Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix the Facebook page roles not working on your device. So if you've been trying to add someone to your page or their role is not updating, you can follow up this simple fix. So first of all, head over to your browser and open up Facebook. So go over to facebook.com and log in into your account and switch over to your Facebook page first. So look out for your profile in the top right and select it. And once you select it, look out for the page and switch to page first. And then within your Facebook page, once you're switched over, go ahead and access your page settings. So scroll or look out for the profile in the top right and select it. And look out for your settings and privacy and select it. And go over and access your settings from the given menu. After you go ahead and access your settings, you can look out for your different options available, including the option you can look out for the option for your page admin or page roles. So just go over and search for page and search for roles and find it up. Or go to the Facebook access, this one right here. So search for access Facebook. So page access, you can search for it. And once you find it up, you can open up this one right here where you can invite people and everything. So here you will be finding different option and different roles, existing roles in the section here with whom you have the role, for example, admin, editor, moderator, etc. So if you want to add new, you can look out for this option of add new and select it. And there just go and click on next and then provide in or assign up a new role. So you need to provide in the email address in this box and assign it and try it out. But if that option is not working, what we can do is within this space, ensure that you are the admin. Only the admin will be able to do so. So if you're not an admin, you won't be able to add or edit anyone's roles here. That may be the reason why you are not able to update your role on Facebook page. Apart from that, when you are going ahead and clicking on this add new and selecting this, and in this search by name or email address section, make sure that you are typing the exact Facebook profile name or the email address so that the person whose role is not working will get the role. Also clear the browser cache if you're using browser, so look out for the three dot in the top and select it. After that, go over and select the option of settings and open it up. And within settings, look out for the privacy and security. And from there, delete the browsing data of your browser and try updating the role once again in your Facebook application. And some roles might not save if the person has age, country, or account restrictions, so make sure that their account is verified and active. And that's it. After some of the steps, your Facebook page roles should work perfectly on PC. So if this video helped you out, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video.